The adoption of cryptocurrencies is influenced by a variety of factors, and these can be categorized into technological, economic, regulatory, social, and cultural aspects. Here's a more detailed exploration of these factors. Technological advancements. Blockchain technology. The underlying blockchain technology plays a crucial role. Its security, transparency, and decentralized nature are key factors in attracting users and businesses to cryptocurrencies. Scalability and speed. The ability of a cryptocurrency network to handle a large number of transactions per second (TPS) and scale effectively is vital for mainstream adoption. Economic considerations. Volatility. The highly volatile nature of cryptocurrency prices can be a barrier to adoption for some users. Stablecoins, pegged to fiat currencies or commodities, aim to address this concern. Inflation hedge. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, are often viewed as a hedge against traditional financial market risks, economic downturns, and inflation. Regulatory environment. Clarity and stability. Clear and stable regulatory frameworks are essential for businesses and investors to feel confident in using and adopting cryptocurrencies. Compliance. Regulatory compliance measures, including anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations, impact how easily cryptocurrencies can be integrated into traditional financial systems. Social and cultural factors. Perception and awareness. Public perception and awareness of cryptocurrencies influence adoption. Positive perceptions, increased education, and awareness can drive adoption. Trust. Trust in the security and reliability of cryptocurrencies is critical. High-profile security breaches can erode trust and slow adoption. Market infrastructure. User-friendly platforms. The development of user-friendly wallets, exchanges, and payment systems is crucial for widespread adoption. Interoperability. The ability of different blockchain networks to interoperate can enhance usability and integration across various applications. Institutional involvement. Investment by institutions. Increased participation from institutional investors and traditional financial institutions can add legitimacy and stability to the cryptocurrency market. Infrastructure development. Institutions building infrastructure, such as custody solutions and trading platforms, can encourage broader adoption. Global economic conditions. Financial crises. Economic uncertainties and financial crises may drive individuals and institutions to seek alternative assets, including cryptocurrencies, as a store of value. Cross-border transactions. Cryptocurrencies offer advantages for cross-border transactions, potentially fostering adoption in regions with complex or inefficient traditional banking systems. Innovation and development. New use cases. Ongoing innovation in the development of new use cases and decentralized applications, dApps, can attract users and businesses to adopt cryptocurrencies. Smart contracts. The growth of smart contract platforms expands the functionality of blockchain technology, making it more appealing for various industries. The criminal activity associated with bitcoins is one of the most significant fears and barriers preventing people from using them. Kethanini and Chow, 2019. A big percentage of users state that they are afraid of being cheated while using CC or engaging in financial operations presupposing its exchange. Kethanini and Chow, 2019. Additionally, Brown, 2016, assumes that the image of this tool is now being corrupted by the fact that it becomes the currency of criminals who prefer to use bitcoins for drug dealing or other illegal activities. Realizing this fact, people acquire some fears related to the further use of CC and their promotion. The existence of security concerns is also evidenced by Dukas and Wilner, 2017, who state that is used outside the formal financial sphere. Cryptocurrency becomes vulnerable to various schemes that can be used by malefactors who try to use the growing popularity of bitcoins to generate benefit. In many cases, simple users become cheated, and the level of trust in the innovational payment method decreases significantly, which prevents it from further rise. It becomes one of the barriers limiting the number of trading options and deteriorating the image of bitcoins. For this reason, this gap in knowledge still prevents persons from using CC in their activities and decreases the level of trust in it. On the contrary, the correct understanding of how the innovative payment method functions and what opportunities are associated with its further development contribute to the emergence of the stable interest to CC and its use in financial operations, which serves as the main facilitator of its adoption and rise. Elliott, 2018. The critical differences in knowledge observed today also evidence the necessity of simplification of processes that are associated with this sort of transaction. Among possible barriers for the further adoption of CC and its widespread, specialists also outline price fluctuation. For a majority of users, it can become a serious challenge as having invested a particular amount of money, they can obtain a much lower amount back. Trek, 2018. For this reason, there are many fears associated with the significant differences in price at different periods of time. Statistics show that among individuals who have the experience of using CC, there is a high percentage of dissatisfied persons who fail to generate income because of this very aspect. Nalapati, 2018. In such a way, there is a critical need for additional stability to ensure that barriers for the further introduction and use of bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies will be eliminated. Only under these conditions, some success can be achieved. Nevertheless, the rise of technologies precondition drastic changes in the structure of society and the accessibility of cryptocurrencies for broad populations. This factor becomes one of the main facilitators of the further adoption of CC by people regardless of their social status, occupation, and available finances. Kuznetsov, 2018. The existence of the ability to buy a Bitcoin by any individual ensures its further spread and growing popularity among various communities. Black, 2018. At the moment, there are about 2 billion people who have access to the internet and cannot use conventional exchange systems, ET Online, 2017. For this reason, they can become owners of various CCs who will contribute to the further development of the approach, and it's becoming one of the leading options. This factor should also be considered while speaking about the future of the discussed payment method and opportunities for its further rise. The long-term adoption of cryptocurrencies depends on a complex interplay of technological advancements, economic factors, regulatory developments, social and cultural acceptance, market infrastructure, institutional involvement, and global economic conditions. The evolution of these factors will continue to shape the trajectory of cryptocurrency adoption in the years to come.